Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, Morris County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, southeastern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over High Bridge, or 15 miles east of Easton, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Morristown, Newton, Dover, Madison, Hopatcong, East Hanover, Lincoln Park, Kinnelon, Hackettstown, Boonton, Butler, Wharton, Washington, Rockaway, Morris Plains, Mount Arlington, Franklin, Mendham, Mountain Lakes, and High Bridge. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 8 and 27. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 16 and 49. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 29 and 54. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren.